Alright, so from full-blown start to finish, I found this wallpaper right here. I'm going to right click, copy it in Canva. I'm going to go up to the right, create a new design, and here type iPhone. It gives me those pixels, and it opens up the background with those pixels set. I'm going to paste. Yeah, so that's in there, and now I should be able to just bam. And then over here on the left side you got text. Add a text box. I actually don't want that one, so delete that. I'm going to do a heading because it's bigger. All caps, Monday. And now I'm just going to move it. And then copy, paste. It aligns itself basically. Paste again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. And then these you can space them out however you want. It does give you a little bit of a guideline as you mess around with it to get them exactly where you want. They can all be spaced out the same. But after that, Tuesday, Wednesday, this one's a little bigger, but you can adjust it so it all fits on the left side so it looks good. Thursday, Friday. Now, you might be thinking it's hard to see the letters with the background. I'm going to click on the background, and then let's go back just so it's just the background is clicked one time. Right here you have your transparency. I'm going to lower that. So now it's kind of like it's faded in the background. And then you can always change, honestly no, I'm going to tap 1, press shift, click all of them. And once you do that, I'm going to group them together. So that way when I move one, I move all of them. But it should work in the sense of if I change the color of one, it should all change as well. Bless you. Thanks, bud. Let's see. No, it's not doing it. But either way, you could still. Let's see. I'm gonna press. I don't know how to get to it from here, but I think if you right click and go to layers, you can do show layers. Right click, layer, show layers. And now when I tap on these, it'll all be there. So maybe it'll let me change it all now. Yeah. But you can pick the exact color you want. Honestly, the pink and the blue kind of goes hard with that background. But you can even do this just to make it pop a little bit more. And then see what colors we're working with. Layer, show layers, background. Doesn't really matter, but nonetheless, that's how you do it. And then I want to see if I can adjust this so it goes down, but I don't think it'll let me do it all at once. I feel like that might be too big. Okay, but that's perfectly centered. But basically that's how you do it. And then right at the end you just want to go to share, and then when you go download, I don't do anything past this, but just download, and then it gets sent to my downloads right there. And when I open that, now you see just this. And then you can send it to yourself however.